Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually here in my kitchen as we are actually going to cook together. So I've often gotten requests from you all to share a little bit more about what I eat on a daily basis. So I thought that's what we would do today. Today's video is actually in collaboration with HelloFresh. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for partnering with me on today's video. If you guys are not familiar, HelloFresh is a meal delivery service. They actually have options for pretty much everyone. They do have options if you are vegetarian, if you are vegan, if you are watching your calorie intake, or if you just like meats and veggies. They also have a few options for the family, so if you have some picky eaters like I do, although I do not have children, I have a very picky boyfriend, so I did choose that option. And they also do have the availability to choose if you are cooking for two or if you're cooking for your full family. I did go ahead and choose the option for the full family, as I do often cook for me, Ryan, my boyfriend, my mom, and then our friends and family. They're always over. So right now, actually, HelloFresh was kind enough to send over a discount code for you guys. You can get your first 8 meals for free using that code. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. I did actually go ahead and cook my first meal yesterday, and I was super happy with it. It was very easy to follow along. I'm not a beginner to cooking, but I'm definitely not an expert, and I really appreciated how simple the directions were. And I also share with you a little like card on what your meals should look like at the end. And they also send everything over to you pre-measured, pre-packaged, so you don't have to worry about like fussing to buy a huge container of some random spice that you're never going to use again, or making sure you actually use the correct amount of an item. So I was really happy with everything that turned out yesterday. For today's video, we are actually going to make the zucchini and tomato flatbread. I thought this looked absolutely delicious, and the recipe looks so easy to follow, very quick. It says it should be ready in about 25 minutes, which I do know a lot of their recipes are like, so perfect timing if you work on an everyday basis like I do, don't have time to fool around in the kitchen. HelloFresh is perfect. But if you guys are interested in seeing this little cook with me style video, then please keep watching. So first, I went ahead and actually preheated the oven to 450 degrees, and I did go ahead and wash and dry all of the produce. So then we're gonna go ahead and trim and half our zucchini and half our tomatoes and mince the garlic. Once all our veggies are cut up, we're gonna go ahead and heat some olive oil in a pan and add the zucchini to cook. So I do have my pan right here. Set that there. Over, let our stove warm up, and then in the meantime mix together the tomatoes, garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil with salt and pepper. So let's go ahead and do that while this starts up. And our oven is preheated now too. Perfect timing. Alright, now that's going. We got tomatoes and our garlic. We're supposed to season these with some salt and pepper. And some in here with the tomatoes. Salt. Oil. All right, and now once these are still going, we're gonna go ahead and make our lemon ricotta. We're gonna go ahead and mix our ricotta. Again, everything is pre-measured, so we have the exact amount. So we do have a little container of ricotta. We're gonna put that in here and some lemon juice. Now we can actually go ahead and start building our flatbreads while we wait for our zucchini to cook. It's only supposed to cook like 5 or 6 minutes, so it should be done pretty quick. Starting to already soften up because I did slice it pretty thin. All right, so we have our flatbreads here. It does call for 2 of them for 2 people. And then we are gonna actually start building our flatbread. So we're gonna take the ricotta lemon mix first on the bottom, and then we're gonna build some zucchini and then our tomatoes on top. So we're gonna go ahead and actually bake this for 10 to 12 minutes. You guys, it looks so good. It smells so good. Ooh, it's really hot, but look here. Let me set this down and grab the camera so you guys can see a little bit better. It smells absolutely delicious, and not to toot my own horn, you guys, but look at the comparison. I'm pretty proud of this. So the last step is actually to throw on some chili flakes, honey, and the basil. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, and then it will be time to eat. So that was actually everything. I feel like this pizza came out really, really good. I'm super happy. The last thing that we have to do, you guys, is we have to try this out. Let's get in here, show you guys a little close up. Looks so good. Nothing makes me happier than pizza, and we love a healthier option as well. So I feel like this actually would be a really good meal to like cook with your family, because it didn't have like a lot of like actual cooking. Like a lot of the process was mixing, whether we were mixing the tomatoes, mixing the like ricotta mix. The only thing that you really had to like cook was the pizza all together, and then we browned up the zucchini. So I feel like this would be a good option, a healthier like pizza alternative to kids. So I do like that. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and check out my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. All of the details regarding HelloFresh will be linked down below. I will have that link so you guys can get your first 8 meals for free down there as well. If you have tried out HelloFresh before, be sure to let me know what your experience has been in the comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you have a favorite meal with HelloFresh, share with me down below as well. I'm so intrigued. Like, I want to keep trying it out and trying new meals, because I feel like this is not only like, obviously it's very convenient, but it's also a great way to kind of get out of a rut of cooking. Like, I feel like every week, honestly, I cook the same meals, like chicken and rice, chicken and pasta, you know, it's always kind of the same thing. So I feel like this is a fun way to get me out of my rut. Also a very convenient way. I don't have to go to the grocery store. So again, thank you so much to HelloFresh for partnering with me on today's video. I'm super, super happy with this service and can't wait to continue trying it out. But I hope you guys all have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.